Ron here from Ron Brown's YouTube channel, and we have a new product to kind of review and take a first look at. This is the ULANZI MA30 tripod for the iPhone. Let me get this right here: 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. I guess anything with Magsafe. So this is ULANZI's product. We all know very well. They make a lot of camera accessories. Phone accessories, things like that. Any type of tech that involves, taking photographs and video, whatever. So there's a small box here. Gives you a little, couple of little diagrams on the back of the product here. So, and before we even do anything else, let's just get you, because some people, this is the most important thing. This product, you can purchase it at ULANZI's website, of course, but I'm going to give you the information here from Amazon.com. It goes for $29.95 and is available for free shipping if you are a Prime member. Looks like if I ordered today on the 4th, I'd get it nice. So it'd be like take 5 days for me, but that could vary from your location. I will put a link down below where you can purchase this through my link. Helps the channel out, pays the bills around here. Appreciate it if you use the link, and it does ship directly from Amazon.com. It's sold by ULANZI, official U.S. store, but it's right in the Amazon warehouse. You can get the 30-day refund replacement guaranteed from Amazon. So okay, now that business is taken care of. Before I move on there, just let me give you a couple things from their description. I'll put this down in the show notes down below too. It says a stronghold, easy shift, dual side magnets, customized setup, fast clip, quick grip. It's too hard to say there. Versatility for more angles, applications. We talked about what phones it used with, and Magsafe is the key here. Okay, so let's get on to more of the kind of first look hands-on. Here's the product right here. This is I'm going to show it folded up for travel. So this is it folded down small for travel, and you can see as a comparison from my phone the size of the tripod here, and it has the MA30 branding. There's an older model called the MA26, which you'll also see on Amazon. I haven't reviewed the MA26. I don't know the difference between the 26 and the 30, but this is the current model right here. So another key thing is, I don't know if you can see it in because of the light here. There you go. This has a little protective kind of coating of a rubberized material here, so protect the back of your phone. You actually see the writing right there. So that you want to put on this side with a protective, again, rubberized coating there. And this also has a little, I'm going to call it latch like this, and it just springs back and forth. So what you can do is use a carabiner or any way of attaching it to any type of bag. You can actually do belt clip. Any type of a belt clip, clip on your jacket, anything like that, and that would be securely clip it on, make it easy access out in the field. So, kudos for putting that on there. So, okay, so to get started here, you just pull this part down here, and this, it's secure. It doesn't just flop or whatever, which is nice. Let me get this over here where you can see the whole thing now. And you want to pull this out like this, and then these out like this. So there you go. I'm going to raise the camera up a little bit. Once you have it up there, you can kind of angle this back and forth, to I had it too far back. You want it straight on. So you take your phone, and I had one of the Apple cases on it. I forget what you call this Apple case, but kind of the standard Apple case. So you would just hold up like this and let the MagSafe take effect there. So you have it, on MagSafe, and you can just pick it up from that point, put this back down again. So this creates a nice nice little holder to walk around. Again, I'm trying to keep this close here. So then you have a nice grip as you're walking around. You can of course you want to aim it away from you unless you're doing a selfie. Well, whether you probably take that with a front facing camera then. So this makes a nice kind of lightweight but secure way of walking around and filming with your your MagSafe iPhone. So it's a lot better than just kind of hand holding it. And of course, if you're one of the TikTok portrait shooter, can easily work like this too in that type of mode. And you see, it's secure. It won't come off. MagSafe is very secure. Yeah. So again, and you can use the front facing camera and film yourself, or you could even film yourself with a back camera, because if you use like the wide angle camera, it's not too hard to get yourself in frame, right? So yeah, I mean, this is not a whole lot to say here, except this is get very kind of comfortable in the hand here, very secure with Magsafe. This is very easy to deploy. You get a lot better shots than just kind of hand holding it like this. You're just more secure with something like this. And also, it makes it easier access to that new camera button over here, where you don't have to, you're not holding it with two hands to get the camera open real fast with the camera button to make your changes up here. Sorry, I know I'm blocking it with my fingers here, to make the changes. Oops. I can hold that down and you can move things back and forth. And I know this people have been very critical of that new camera button, and I see their points, but when you're using it with a tripod like this, it's a lot easier to use. And of course, even if you don't necessarily want to take photos or anything, but you're working, at a coffee shop or any place with like a little desk access here, and you just want to kind of let me get the Face ID going here, though. But you just kind of want to work with some of your apps here, whatever. You just, could keep it in this mode like this, and we'd have to put it, just work like that to see different apps and stuff like that. Instagram, so like I said, it very handy for again, just kind of consuming media, as well as taking photos and videos with it. So yeah, I don't have a lot more to say. This is a simple device. I've already given you the price. I've used it a little bit out in the field. I've only had it for a short time, a couple weeks now, and I have used it out in the field, and I really enjoy using it out in the field. I think it kind of be my go-to phone holder at this point. I mean, the only downside I can see is I have another phone holder like this. It has like a little quarter-inch screw in the bottom that I can attach it to a bigger tripod, where this doesn't have that feature. So that could be like a small con if you find yourself putting your phone on top of a real tripod at different times. But if you don't, if that's not a big concern for you, if you're just kind of a walk around, take pictures and videos, and you can angle this too, so you can get very comfortable, whatever type of grip you want, for this thing here. So yeah. So that's about it for this video. Remember, I will include the links down below, for this product on Amazon. Again, you can buy it straight from ULANZI, but I like the Amazon. I like the speed of the shipping. I like the free shipping. Your problem. I like the speed of the shipping. I also like the better return policy from Amazon. So yeah. If you like this video, got anything out of it, please give me the thumbs up. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you're not already a member. Ring that notification bell so you'll know when I post more videos on like tech products like this. Camera, video, drone related gear, whatever. You'll know when I get those videos up. And yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video, folks.